In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to your N8N AI automation workflow. First, make sure you're logged into your N8N account in your browser. From your N8N dashboard, look for the option to create a new workflow. This is usually a button near the top or side of the screen. Click on it to open a fresh empty workflow canvas where we'll set everything up. On this empty canvas, you'll see a prompt to add your first step or first node. Go ahead and click on that. A panel or pop-up will appear, showing you a list of available integrations and nodes you can use. In the search bar within that panel, start typing Notion. Typing the name helps you quickly filter down to the Notion node instead of scrolling through the full list. Once you see the Notion option appear, click on it. This tells N8N that the first part of your workflow will interact with Notion. Next, you'll be asked what type of Notion node you want to create. For this connection, choose a trigger. The trigger option lets N8N listen for changes or events in your Notion workspace, like new pages or updates in a database, and then automatically run the rest of your automation. After selecting the trigger, you'll see a field to select a Notion database. Click on the Select Database option. At this point, if you haven't connected Notion to N8N before, you'll need to add your Notion credentials. Click on Add Your Credential. A new window or pop-up will open with a Connect to Notion button. Click that, then follow the authorization steps in Notion to grant N8N access to your workspace. When that's done, close the pop-up using the X and then the Close button to return to your workflow. Back on the Notion trigger configuration, click Select Database again. Now, you should see a list of databases from your Notion workspace. Choose the database you want to monitor, then confirm or select it so it's attached to the trigger. Once that's set, click on Test this trigger. N8N will check that it can successfully read from your chosen Notion database. If the test works, you'll see sample data or a confirmation message. Finally, go back to your workflow and follow any on-screen prompts N8N shows you to finish configuring the trigger and continue building the rest of your AI automation.